Hi YouTube. So in my last video I've shown you that it's been plated and plated over rot, so I've cut out the existing panel, welded it on and replaced the floor section and a new plate at the front there. Obviously the welds have got to be polished and grinded. Started doing them here, as you can see, and so that'll spray up quite nice. One other little nasty I found while I was welding away, I looked up and found that, which is virtually impossible to get to cut out and weld. So I've had to cut an hole in this panel here to be able to get to that, cut it out. Make a new plate up and re-weld it back in. I can also clean all the rust off this section here. Repairs to the panel down here, across here. Something to cut out there, only a small amount, and it doesn't line up, as you can see. So I've got to cut this out and reline it back up. I've also taken out the dashboard today, which was a living nightmare, and I posted a small video on YouTube just to show you how easy it can be done if you do know how. If you don't, it'll take you hours and hours, so hopefully that'll help you. So, yeah, next stage.